right now. Extreme pressure.
That's where he is.
You know.
Yeah, maybe more than that.
It's like it's on a pendulum all the time.
Like 2 minutes.
Oh my God.
I'm not sure, it's like 2 minutes. And then they do it much quicker. And you're like, oh wow, look how much it was.
Why are the seagulls like picking on the eagles all day?
They don't like them there. They're a threat.
I'm just curious. Obviously, it's.
I didn't have the same thing.
No,
I only had half of them. And you're not supposed to have them. Oh, you're not allowed to have them. I don't have them.
Long gone.
I think it's part of the campers.
Right. She's serious.
So if I could just kind of point some information out for you guys, and I realize as I say this, maybe it'll start talking. I'm trying to change it up here, try and get John Hopkins a little unshy here. But if you guys look at the mountain up here, over to our left at about the 11, 10 o'clock position, you look and see how sharp and jagged it is. And then you look to the mountain over here to the little bit more to the left, and you can see how it's.
Where's that?
What did I say?
Keep talking.
And if you look at the mountain over here to the left, you can see how it's nice and rounded. That's how tall the glacier was. And so if you looked at this mountain, like I said, the jagged points to it, that means the glacier didn't get quite that high. So the glacier never polished that top of that mountain, but over here it did. So just think of this whole valley going up another 1,000, 2,000 feet filled with ice. It's intimidating.
Yeah. And it was only a couple hundred years ago.
And yeah, it was only a couple hundred years ago.
Matt, is that a separate glacier off to the left?
That is, yes. Yep. And it will soon be totally separate from John Hopkins and not too much longer.
Okay, what are you talking about?
The striations in the rock.
How far does this one go back?
As the glaciers were coming in or out, instead of normally they're horizontal.
Yeah, and so that's just the violent uplift of plate tectonics, of them crashing together and folding. And eventually one of them is going to buckle and shoot up.
Which comes first, the sound or the calving?
The calving much earlier. It's like a good 3-4 second delay before you hear the sound.
So
Is this a subduction zone where
Light
there's
travels a lot faster?
Depends what medium it's going through.
It's actually
sliding on the view?
It's actually where we're at right now. It's actually a sutra zone, where a giant landmass off the coast of the Pacific collided in. It was its own kind of separate island, and it collided in, and it is kind of fused together with North America.
Okay.
So that sound we heard just now, does that mean someplace else there was calving?
So it either will be along the face, or it could be within the glacier.
So then we won't see it.
No, you'll just hear it.
Should try to cool it down. How far back does it go?
The